There are so many questions about how that 18-wheeler got here. In a news conference today, Mexican government officials say the truck entered the United States through Laredo.
That's right. Customs and Border Patrol cameras show the truck passing some checkpoints in Encinal and Cotulla. Concerned families have been calling the Mexican consulate in San Antonio because they're worried that their missing loved ones might have been in that semi-trailer.
The 19's Patty Santos has been in touch with one of those worried families and has their story.
Lily Hernandez says she's been calling San Antonio hospitals, immigration offices, and the McAllen Mexican consul trying to find her brother, Pablo Hernandez.
I know he was walking with a group of people and that the people he was with left him because he couldn't walk. He was cramping up and he couldn't keep going.
The 20-year-old left Reynosa, Mexico in early June and called to say he was in Falfurrias, Texas last Wednesday. He was headed to Houston.
There's an anxiety of not knowing if he's fine or if he needs something. You have so many thoughts of what could have happened.
One of those thoughts is that he might have been in the semi-trailer where more than 50 migrants died this week. The Mexican consulate and other Central American consulates are working to identify the dead and those in the hospital. 27 of the deceased have been confirmed as Mexican nationals. More than 100 calls from families with missing loved ones have tied up phone lines at the consulate. Hernandez says she tried to talk her brother out of crossing, but his resolve was greater than fear.
We're hopeful we can find him.
And tonight she tells us her brother has a scar near his collarbone. She hopes maybe that could help someone identify him. And Stephen Stefania, she also tells us that she's tried to get the word out on social media to see if she can find him, but instead she has received people who are trying to scam her or extort her family of money. And also she says she has spent hours calling local agencies trying to find out information, only to find there is none. I'll send it back to you.